How to connect a Google Analytics to Framer. So first, you just have to simply go to Google Analytics. As you can see, welcome to Google Analytics. So you can now start and complete information here. Basically, this is what it looks like to create an account. So first is your account details. So you need to add your account name right here. Account data sharing settings. You can tap Google products and services, but everything is up to you. So once you're done adding your name right here or your account name, for example, I'm going to add this like Framer, okay, for the sake of this tutorial, and then tap next. Now for property creation, you can add your property details and property name right here. Take note that this one is required. So you need to add, do not miss anything here. For currency, you can change that and then proceed. Now for your business, you can choose from any of this. Just select one. And then for how many people working, so you can select from any of this option, for example, small. Tap next. Now choose your business objectives. You can choose generate leads, drive sales, view user, other business objectives. So let me tap at least two, this one. Or basically you can also select one. Everything is up to you. Now you can select this box or tap check. It means I also accept the terms and condition. Tap this one and then click I accept. But it's very important to read the following information right here. Okay, so once you tap this I accept, then you can now proceed. Wait for a couple of seconds and this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do here is you have to select a platform. So for this time, you're going to select web. So let me go back again. And then you have to choose web right here, but it's up to you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to choose web. Now you should see a notification on the right side. Something will pop up on the right side, and then you will see the following options such as name of the property. So as you can see, what you're going to do is you need to set up or add your website URL right here. So if you don't know your website URL, you need to go back, copy, and then paste it. So no need to include the HTTPS. Okay, so add your website right here. And then after you have added the URL or the website here, what you're going to do is you have to simply add the stream name or your website. So basically, this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply review everything, your website URL and also your stream name. And take note of this enhanced measurement, so automatically measure interactions and content on your sites in addition to standard page view measurement. Here are the measuring, the page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, plus 4 more. But you can skip this part and just paste your website URL right here and also your website. So once you're done with that, then, or if you don't know how to get one, and then basically what you're going to do here is you have to go back to your Framer. Okay, open your Framer right here. And then you need to go or tap that specific website that you're currently working on or editing. And then click this gear icon. As you can see under settings, there is this base domain and custom domain. So first, what is this base domain here on Framer? So the base domain can be useful if you do not have a custom domain but want to publish your website quickly. Take note, quickly. Framer automatically assigns this base domain when you publish your project, allowing anyone to access your site at this URL. However, for custom domain, if you own a domain like yourdomain.com, you can connect it to your Framer project, replacing the base domain with your custom one. So basically, it's more important or strongly suggest to have a custom domain. So if you own a domain, just simply add it right here. And let's just say if you are about to create one, or if you want to connect your own domain, just upgrade your plan. But if you don't have one, then you just have to simply go to this box right here and then add something like a name. The Framer website will tell you if it's available or not. So as you can see here, I'm trying to add my custom domain for this or for the sake of this tutorial. But of course, I strongly suggest that you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to connect your own domain. So Basically, this is what it looks like. So actually, if you don't set up a custom domain, your project will remain live on the Framer base domain. So if you don't want that, if you don't want to use the base domain, you need to add your custom domain right here. So once you have added your custom domain here on Framer website, what you're going to do is you can now proceed. Now you will see a result like this if the domain they have added is available. Okay, so this is the result. This is my domain, custom domain right here. So I'm going to copy this, of course. And after I copy this one, then I can now go back to my Google Analytics. Okay, so copy this one first, copy the URL, go back to your Google Analytics and then paste it right here. Remove the HTTPS, okay, and then add the name. Okay, so it's your stream name or website name. Once done, you can now click continue. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now a small box should pop up on the right side. And what you're going to do here is you have to look for the stream ID and the measurement ID. Okay, so let me go back again. Make sure that if this box pop up, you will not tap the X. Okay, so for this time, this one is not the one I'm looking for. So let me tap the X right here. You should see this. Okay, so as you can see, there is this stream URL, stream ID, and the measurement ID. So what you're going to do here is you have to simply copy this. Okay, tap this copy icon, go back to Framer. Okay, go to these settings again. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to click this general, scroll down here, and you should see the option Google Analytics. Okay, so as you can see, it needs the Google Analytics measurement ID. So you have to simply tap and then paste the ID right here. And after that, you can now go back and then save or publish this one. So basically, that's it. So if you go back to your Google Analytics and make sure that you have saved everything. Now, what's the important or how important it is to connect your Google Analytics to Framer? Okay, so connecting Google Analytics to your Framer website is highly important for several reasons, as it provides powerful insights and data that can help you optimize your site's performance, understand your audience, and make informed decisions. So here you can track how many people visit your Framer website. You can also see which pages they visit, how long they stay, and you can also understand your audience. So it gives detailed demographic information such as the location, age, gender, measuring marketing efforts, track conversion goals, and a lot more. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.